Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you a quick, easy way to recreate this look. I've already done one eye. We're going to do this eye. I don't want it to be crazy long video, so I already did half the work. But it's a beautiful pop of color. Pop of color is trendy this fall season, and I wanted to show you guys a quick way to do it that is hassle-free. On a side note, I am growing a pineapple, and I'm very excited about it, and I just had to share it with you guys because I ate this pineapple, and now I am regrowing a new pineapple from the old pineapple's top. Look, it's doing so well, and the coolest part is, I'm gonna take it out of here. Oh, it's getting me wet. The coolest part about it is it's beginning to flower. Look at that, it's creating new little pineapple, and I think that is rad, and I just wanted to share it with you guys, but that's totally beside the point. Let's jump into this video. So for this eye look, I am using a few different palettes, actually 3 different palettes. You can use any ones that you have on hand, just with the same colors, or use different colors. This is just what I did. Started with the Crown Pro palette. These are all neutral base colors, and the first shade that I went in was with just a nice white, lightly sparkly color, and my eyelids are already prepped and primed and ready for this application. So I just went ahead and patted all of the white onto my eyelid and bring it down just a little bit onto the cheekbone. Next, I went in with the You Had Me at Hello ColourPop palette, and I'm going to go ahead and take this Candy Graham and put it on that same brush. I'm really liking this look this year, this season, because it still has color. We're not just going into full-on dark eyeshadows. I mean, we still have quite a bit of time until fall is here. Actually, we don't. It's like, what, 2 weeks? So we don't have a lot, but I love that this fall season, see how I'm taking the shimmery white shadow and bringing it down onto my cheekbone. I'm going to use that as my highlighter, or as my highlight. So I'm going to just do a C motion from my brow bone onto my cheekbone with that white shadow. And then it will give this effect over here. You're getting your highlight in your brow bone and on your cheekbone, so it's beautiful and shimmery. So after that, I am going to take the Laura Lee Party Animal palette. This palette came with my BoxyCharm, my August BoxyCharm. This palette has some beautiful bright colors, but it is one of those ones that, where are you going to wear these colors on a regular basis? So that was my first thought when I got it. I didn't know exactly what I was gonna do unless I was gonna have an 80s theme party or rock bright blue eyeshadow, but I don't do that on a regular basis. I'm much more of a neutral person, so I figured what would be great with this palette is using this Bottoms Up, which is a glittery pink, and just taking a small angled brush, dipping it into that pink. Pink shadows are trendy right now, so why not make use of them? And I just take it and put it right into the corner. Now you can use a pink shade, you can use a blue shade, purple, green, orange, whatever you want to do, yellow, just whatever you like. But I wanted to go with a pink. I feel like it's flattering for the eyes, and a pop of color is going to be a style that you see a lot this fall, so this is a great way to do it where it's not overwhelming. It's not the whole lid color over here at the end, you could do it as your crease. You can do it like I am doing it in the inner corner of the eye. It just is a nice extra effect and really enhances the eyes. You know, the eyes are the gateway to the soul, and I feel like a pop of color in the corner really enhances your eye color. I'm going to take the Tarte Sex Kitten eyeliner. This is a felt tip eyeliner. Eyeliner is also still trendy. Cat eyes are still trendy. We're keeping up with everything that we've had before. This season, what I've really loved is there's a lot of fashion rules being broke. And it's like we're gonna see a lot of white nails. White after Labor Day is a huge thing. Pops of color that are bright party colors versus just your basic reds, oranges, greens, normal fall colors. So it's pretty cool. But I'm gonna take this winged liner and I'm going to take the liner and just wing it in to the pink. I don't want the eyeliner to go all the way into the corner of my eye. I just want it to go right into the center, right where the pink meets the white. Next, I'm just going to take a flat angled brush and I'm going to pick up the shade Karaoke, which is a nice purpley blue. And I'm going to get some color onto this flat angled brush and I'm going to pat the blue right into my waterline and right under my lashes. Just add a little bit more color pop. Last but not least, I'm gonna go back in with the ColourPop palette and I'm going to pick up that shimmery white again, and I am going to just put it right underneath my eye, right back into the corner. So then our look is complete, other than, of course, mascara. And I have been loving the Wonder Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. I go in with this mascara as a base coat, and I coat my lashes. This look would also look really nice with some falsies. Currently, I am out of lash glue, so I can't do any right now, and I have also been getting my eyelashes to grow so I don't have to wear false lashes. So, because I think they're such a pain in the butt. And I don't want to pay for lash extensions either, so I just use lash growth serum, and my lashes have grown incredibly since compared to what they used to be. And then I'm going to finish everything off with a brow gel just to keep my brows in place. Check it all out, make sure it looks good in the light. And there we have it. Pop of color, perfect for the season, very trendy, and takes you like less than 3 minutes.